this vitamin is not used by official medicine. Moreover, distributors of the drug are prosecuted in the United States. However, in the past, vitamin B17, laetrile or amygdalin was distributed as an anti-cancer vitamin. Amygdalin is a bitter crystalline compound found in bitter almonds and the stones of other fruits. Laetrile is a compound extracted from amygdalin. It was first used as a cancer treatment in Russia in 1845 and in the United States in the 1920s. Nowadays, the drug is rejected in the United States by the Food Drug Administration, the American Cancer Society, and the American Medical Association due to the presence of cyanide, alleged toxicity, and high risk of poisoning. It is not produced in Russia due to the fact that this substance apparently leads to severe poisoning, often fatal. Amygdalin was stripped of vitamin status, lateral distributors were targeted, and bitter almond seeds were deemed unsafe for health. And then I began to doubt. I was born and raised in Makhachkala, the capital of the Great Republic of Dagestan. There was a large apricot tree in our garden right in front of the house. Every year my family reaped a huge harvest of the sweetest apricots, but the pips of those apricots were bitter. We ate a large number of these bitter pips with pleasure and never got poisoned. I am not urging you to do so. You can do whatever you want, of course within reason. This is your life. In this video, I've just talked about my experience and try to find answers to some questions. Let's dive into history. Vitamin B17 was first obtained in France in 1830 from the pip of bitter almonds and called amygdalin. Since its discovery, it has been used in homeopathic medicine. At the beginning of the 20th century, amygdalin began to be used as a remedy against cancer. In the middle of the 20th century, the American biochemist Ernst T. Krebs, he wasn't associated with Hans Adolf Krebs, the biochemist who discovered the Krebs cycle. So, the American biochemist from San Francisco, Ernst T. Krebs Jr., by synthesis from amygdalin, obtained a concentrated form, laetrile, and named vitamin B17. He advanced the theory that cancer is not caused by some mysterious viruses or bacteria or toxins, but is a vitamin deficiency disease caused by a lack of essential components in the diet of modern humans. He identified this component as part of the nitrosamide family, which is found in abundance in nature in over 1,200 edible plants. This component is found in especially large quantities in the seeds of the fruits of the Prunus rosacea family, bitter almonds, apricots, blackthorns, cherries, peaches and plums, but it is also found in herbs, corn, sorghum, millet, cassava or tapioca, flaxseed, apple seeds, and many other foods that have been removed from the human diet by modern civilization. What's interesting, it is the only B vitamin that is absent in breakfast yeast. Experiments began to treat cancer patients. According to some reports, during the treatment, they had a positive dynamics of the course of the disease and also an improvement in their general condition. However, clinical studies conducted by pharmaceutical companies have not confirmed the therapeutic effect of vitamin B17. Due to the clash of opinions, disputes are still ongoing. Official medicine does not classify amygdalin as vitamin, believing the discovery of Ernst T. Krebs to be unsubstantiated and erroneous. Meanwhile, independent research has been shown that the Hansa tribe in the Himalayas never encountered cancer as long as their native diet was rich in millet and apricots. However, as soon as they were confronted with the Western diet, they became ill with cancer. The meaning of these findings is overwhelming, but if we were able to defeat scurvy, vitamin C deficiency, many years ago, why we are powerless against cancer today? Share your thoughts in the comments.